experts, like professional long-distance runner and track coach Melody Manahan, agree that proper hydration of the human body is essential.
Well, we run a certification program. The water bottling companies here pay us a royalty for the use of our trademark, our service mark, which is 100% Hawaiian deep sea water. And we use that money to run a certification program to prove that the water that they produce was produced and bottled here at Mahalo. The deep sea water has some very unique mineral properties to it that we can trace through their process. Those minerals still come through, and we can track in our laboratory whether it's 3,000 foot water, whether it's water we pump from 2,000 feet, whether it's 1,000 foot water, or whether it would be Kona tap water with some salt added. And part of the certification program is that this is a brand, it's a very unique product, there's very high demand in the world for it, and there are people out there who are trying to pirate the idea of Hawaiian deep sea water. So we are out to protect that brand through that certification program as well.
For those special luncheons, when it's important to have it all just so, but you don't want wine or other alcohol involved, Mahalo is the answer. An exclusive restaurant deserves an exclusive brand of water. All the science, all the testing, and inspections, these bottles of Mahalo water are ready to be boxed up and shipped out. Koyo USA is always rushing to get great tasting Mahalo water to its customers. Playing out of doors makes you thirsty and depletes the essential minerals in your body. Mahalo Hawaii deep sea drinking water is the most logical and tastiest solution. There is a delicate interaction between all living things. Biologist Mark Roden explains.
As a research biologist, having spent years of study on the relationship between the life forms on Earth and what can damage those relationships, one of the things of real importance is how plants and animals grow into healthy, well-maintained adults. The key is diet. What they consume to generate the energy needed to build new cells and to feed existing cells. It is essential that all living things get the most out of what they take in. Critical vitamins and nutrients require association or interaction with certain minerals and trace minerals to aid the organism in assimilating the maximum benefit from these vitamins and nutrients. At one time, these minerals and trace minerals were present as natural, single-ion elements in the fresh water supply. Now, nearly all the water that is consumed is leached free of these minerals and trace minerals, and, to make matters worse, the water is processed with harmful chemicals. The solution is simple. Find a way to get the essential minerals and trace minerals back in the water supply and combine that water with whatever you eat.
Pediatricians recommend that team moms help players regain lost water and minerals through natural snacks and water, rather than the sugar-packed artificial sports drinks. Remember, Mahalo Hawaii deep sea water is different from other bottled waters. Very often, bottled water is simply filtered tap water or water from wells in municipal areas. Even most modern desalination plants use only surface seawater. Our water is taken from the deep sea currents at depths which are protected from the contaminants that remain in surface water. And Mahalo deep sea water contains no harmful additives such as chlorine or fluoride. Mahalo water was made for the water connoisseur. Mahalo deep sea water has a wonderful, exotic story to tell and can back it up with great taste. Great tasting water is becoming the beverage of choice at many casual outings and get-togethers. Mahalo Hawaii Deep Sea Desalinated Drinking Water is the world's extraordinary opportunity to reap the benefits of pure, nutritionally balanced, mineral-rich drinking water. Mahalo water is as welcome to the cooking side of the kitchen as it is in the refrigerator. Don't let ordinary tap water ruin the flavor of your favorite dish again. Some of childhood's fondest memories are simple ones, like fishing with Granddad. Sharing a bottle of Mahalo with Grandpa is just what the doctor ordered. The hardworking management team and plant staff of Koyo USA send you a big island aloha, and mahalo thank you for joining us for the Mahalo Deep Sea Water story.